Right, this is all you need to create your own spirit box or sweep radio. A couple of bits of cable, a little switch, one of these trusty fellows off eBay, roll of solder, soldering iron, and a speaker to check. So plug the device in, switch it on. Bit of S-Club for you. So you can actually, if you just want to hold down the button, it'll actually start to sweep through the radio stations. So we want to try and hack the device, so it does that automatically for us. So it's really quite simple. Right, so just unplug that a minute. Back of the unit, 2 screws, small Phillips head, just pop those out, put them aside with the battery cover. 2 AA, AAA batteries, should I say, pop them out, just gently prise the back off. Right, now we're looking inside the device. This is one I've hacked earlier, but I'll show you how the mod's done. So if we get close up to these 2 tracks here, so you'll see the earth plane, which is this big green area. So basically all I've done is I've got a pair of tweezers and I've scratched away at the solder resist. So basically that's just what covers the earth plane. So as you can see there, you can be quite ruthless with it. So you can see the exposed conductor underneath. So we do that in this area there, and then where this track is, we want to scratch the solder resist off in parallel as well. Doesn't harm if you want to scratch it off on this side of the earth plane as well. So what we'll be aiming to do is bridge across there with a blob of solder. Simple. Soldering iron, nice and clean. Just try and pop that back there so we can see. Right, what I'm going to do is get, rather than put it onto a board, be careful you don't drip it anywhere. But what I'm going to do, as you'll see, I'm going to put that and blob it over there. So it's just joined all those tracks together. Nice solder blob. Right. So we can do the hack in 2 stages. If you want it to be a simple hack, just place the batteries back in, back cover back on. Just leave that to the side for now. Speaker in. Right, now when we press the on button, it'll start to scan down through the stations automatically.
Just settle with it. Yeah.
Right, as it's a Chinese radio, you get these off eBay really cheap. It'll actually scan down to 60 megahertz. So after about 80 megahertz, there's nothing on UK broadcast. So in the UK, you won't pick up anything on there unless it's actual activity. So quite good. A little bit more dead spacey sweep, but